Hello, posture pupils. My name is Dr. Paula Moore, and I'm the online posture doctor. And welcome to Posturecise Pro, the advanced version of the original Posturecise Udemy course. Now, no matter how you got here, maybe you've already taken the Posturecise course and you loved it. I know hundreds and hundreds of you are already taking that course and you want a little bit more. Or maybe you've arrived for the first time. You have a little bit of fitness experience already and you just want to tweak a few areas. Regardless of how you got here, welcome to Posturecise Pro. I think you're going to love this course. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I'll give you a little bit of history. So what makes me qualified to help you correct your posture? Now, that's an excellent, excellent question, because just because somebody says they correct posture doesn't mean they have the qualifications to do so. So over 20 years ago, I was suffering with daily headaches. That took me off to a chiropractor one day, and I was so amazed when my headaches went away that I up and moved my entire life from Canada to the UK, having never been there before. 5 years later, I qualified to be a chiropractor and opened my own clinic. But you know what? That still wasn't enough, because there was always this 10% of people who never got well. And they had one thing in common. Can you guess what that might be? You betcha. They all had bad posture. So I went on to gain a fellowship in the physics of posture. I guess it's fair to say I fell in love with posture and grew slightly obsessed correcting my own posture. And so my self-obsession became my full-time devotion. And now I help others just like you correct their posture. So enough about me. Posturecise Pro is all about you and getting you to regain attractive, youthful posture. Posture that you're proud of. Posture that makes you feel confident. This is how the course works. It starts out with a few nuggets. These are my posture golden rules. If you don't know these things, there's no way you can correct your posture. Then we move on to some self-tests, a whole series of tests that you can do that help you determine where you're starting from and then helps you monitor your progress as you move through the course. Then the course moves into posture strengthening, which targets the worst posture areas by far. We look at the core neck stabilizers, the rotator cuff muscles, the core abdominal musculature, and the pelvic architecture. This is a tough section. Next, we move right into posture stretching. Here we'll target whole muscle groups instead of individual muscles. The muscles involved with round shoulders, hunch back, the chronically tight lumbar region, and the muscle tension that we get in our necks from our busy desk-based lives. A really exciting section of the Posturecise Pro course is this entire area for self-treatment. You'll learn lots of self-massage techniques, and particularly you're going to love this bit where I show you how to remove muscle knots from the worst affected areas in the body. Posturecise Pro goes beyond creating a new habit. This course is designed to help you create attractive, youthful posture that will leave you thriving and practically oozing posture confidence. I want that for you. Look, I don't want you to hesitate. If you get stuck, contact me straight away. You know, correcting your posture isn't a quick fix, but it's a commitment, a lifelong commitment. But I promise you, a commitment that you can learn to love. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the course.